What is thermocouple? A thermocouple is a sensor for measuring temperature. It consists of two dissimilar metals joined together at one end, which produce a small unique voltage at a given temperature. Thermocouples work based on the principle of the Seebeck effect. The principle of the thermocouple was first described by Seebeck in 1821. Seebeck discovered that when wires of two dissimilar metals were joined together to form a circuit of at least two junctions, a current would flow when the junctions were at different temperatures. This phenomenon, called the Seebeck effect, is the basis upon which thermocouple are designed. In thermocouple, cold junction compensation to make accurate temperature measurements with thermocouple, the reference junction temperature cold junction must remain constant. If it varies, suitable compensation for these variations must be provided. The open end EMF is a function of not only the closed end temperature, the temperature at the point of measurement, but also the temperature at the open end. By holding T2 at a standard temperature can be measured EMF be considered a direct function of the change in T1. T1, this one is hard junction. T2 is open junction. A and B is dissimilar metals. When we produce heat T3, when we given T3 heat on T1 junction, hard junction, we get EMF at cold junction T2. Reference junction open end. Cold junction compensation. The industrially accepted standard for T2 is 0 centigrade. Therefore, most table and charts make the assumption that T2 is at that level. In industrial instrumentation, the difference between the actual temperature at T2 at 0 degrees Celsius is usually corrected by electronically within the instrumentation. This EMF adjustment is carried to as the cold junction or CJ types of thermocouples. Thermocouples can be made from a variety of metals and cover a temperature range of -200 centigrade to 2600 Celsius degree. Thermocouples can be divided into three functional classes: base metal thermocouples, noble metal thermocouples, and refractory metal thermocouples. Base metal thermocouples are useful for measuring temperature under 1000 Celsius degree. This class includes thermocouples made of iron, Constantan type J, copper Constantan type T, chromal aluminum type K, chromal Constantan type E, 90% platinum, 13% rhodium type R, 87% platinum, 10% rhodium type S. Noble metal thermocouples are useful to about 2000 degrees Celsius. Refractory metal thermocouples are useful to about 2600 Celsius. This class includes tungsten, rhenium alloy thermocouple as thermocouple made of tantalum, molybdenum at their alloys. Junctions. Thermocouple are available with one of three junction types: grounded, undergrounded, or exposed. At the tip of grounded junction probe, the thermocouple's wires are physically attached to the inside of the probe wall. This results in good heat transfer from the outside through the probe wall to the thermocouple undergrounded. In an undergrounded probe, the thermocouple junction is detached from the probe wall. Response time is slowed down from the grounded style. Exposed. Thermocouple junctions. The grounded junction is recommended for the measurement of static or flowing corrosive gas and liquid temperature, and for high pressure application. The junction of a grounded thermocouple is welded to the protective sheet, giving faster response than the underground junction type. An undergrounded junction is recommended for measurements in corrosive environments where it is desirable to have the thermocouple electronically isolated from and shielded by the sheet. The welded wire thermocouple is physically insulated from the thermocouple sheet by magnesium powder. Exposed junction is recommended for the measurement of static or flowing non-corrosive gas temperature where fast response time is required. The junction extends beyond the protective metallic sheet to give accurate fast response. The sheet insulation is sealed where the junction extends to prevent penetration of moisture or gas which could cause errors. Thermocouple reference tables. Each type of thermocouple has a characteristic EMF, Vs temperature curve and application range. The EMF curve is very depend on the composition of each conductor. Since different type of thermocouples have different thermoelectric relationship, there is a reference table for each type of thermocouple. The values in these tables are based on the International Practical Temperature Scale. Tables are available from a variety of sources, includes NBS monograph 1 to 5, ANSI standard MC 96.1, the SATM Annual Book of Standards, and ISA standards. Thermocouple color codes. In the thermocouple industry, practice is to color the negative lead red. The negative lead red thermocouple alloy wire must always be used to connect a thermocouple sensor to the instrumentation. To assure accurate measurements, the table below gives details for few of the important thermocouples. ANSI color code for thermocouples and thermocouple extension wire. ANSI type T wire alloys copper constant. Thermocouple wire color T P positive minus T and negative. Individual blue red overhaul brown. Thermocouple extension wire color blue red. Overall blue. J. Iron constant polarity J, P positive minus J and negative. Individual white red. Overall brown. Extension wire color white red. Overall black. E type E. Chromal constant. Positive E P, negative E N. Thermocouple wire color individual purple red. Overall thermocouple extension wire brown. Individual purple red. Overall purple. K type. Chromal aluminum. Polarity positive Kp, negative Kn. Individual yellow red. Thermocouple extension wire brown. Individual yellow red. Overall yellow. Type R. Platinum 13%. Rhodium platinum. Rp positive minus Rn. Individual black red extension wire. Overall green. Our last table for some of the imported thermocouples are shown on the link below. Iron constant type J, chromal aluminum type K, 90% platinum, 30% rhodium type R, copper constant type T, chromal constant type E, 87% platinum, 10% 87% platinum, 10% rhodium type S. Advantages with thermocouples. Capable of being used to directly measure temperature up to 2600 Celsius degree. The thermocouple junction may be grounded and brought into direct contact with the material being measured. Disadvantages with thermocouples. Temperature measurement with a thermocouple requires two temperatures be measured. The junction at the work and the hard junction and the junction where wires meet the instrumentation copper wire cold junction. To avoid error, the cold junction temperature is in general compensated in the electronic instrument by measuring the temperature at the terminal block using with the semiconductor thermistor of RTD. Thermocouple operations are relatively complex with potential sources of error. The materials of which thermocouples wire are made are not inert and the thermoelectric voltage developed along the length of the thermocouple wire may be influenced by corrosion. The relationship between the process temperature and the thermocouple signal millivolt is not linear. The calibration of the thermocouple should be carried out while it is in use by comparing it to a nearby comparison thermocouple. If the thermocouple is removed and placed a calibration bath, the output integrated over the length is not reproduced exactly.